to show you my little Commodore 64 program called Sprite. This was published in 1987 in the German magazine Commodore Welt in the December issue. And at the time, I received a letter from the publisher saying that my program will be printed on one of the next issue. When I saw it in the magazine, I was quite happy. I was expecting that they would send me a free copy of the magazine, and usually when I got a program published in the magazine, I get a free copy of the magazine and also a small payment for the work. But unfortunately, after the letter, it was quiet and I didn't even get a free magazine. So when I want to get it, it was already gone, disappeared from the shop. So I missed it. I didn't have anything there. When internet came out, I tried to go to the forum, ask people whether anyone has kept the old magazine. The problem was I wasn't even sure in which issue of the magazine. In August 2014, finally someone responded to me, and he was so nice that he scanned the pages, the cover and the program and sent it to me. It's not a very long program, just like one page. Let's go to the computer and I'm going to show you how I bring it back to life. Okay, now let's have a look at the listing first. I received this as a JPEG file, so I can't select the text and copy and paste to somewhere. One way is I can type the listing, and there are some checksum here, but I don't have the software to run the checksum. The other way is I need to find an OCR program to convert this to text. The other problem is because these are in two columns, I can imagine there will be a mess. So what I have done is I simply try to use Copilot, and I drag and drop the image here. Then I tell Copilot to extract the basic program on the right half of the page, ignore the checksum. So after a while, I'm getting this here. It's not bad. Obviously, it ignore everything else. It just extract the basic program. I did this for the second page as well. So this is the second page here. Then I need to extract this part here. For some reason, today I only get these few lines instead of the whole section here. Someday it works better. So, but anyway, you got an idea that I did that with Copilot. Before I go to the emulator to demonstrate the program, I want to let you know why I have written the program called Sprite. In the old days, when I write a program in BASIC using Sprite, I have to use a Sprite editor to create my sprite and convert it to number and use a routine to read the data into the sprite. The problem of this is if you are not happy with the sprite, you have to go back to the sprite editor, change it and generate the data and put it back into your basic program. The idea of Sprite is I write a routine to read the data from the screen, and I can define my sprite using print command, and the routine will read all these print dots on the screen and generate the sprite data. So whenever I want to change the sprite, I just go into my basic code and modify the print command here. So let's go into the emulator and I can show you what I mean. I'm using the Wise emulator and I already attached the disk. As you can see, there's only one program. I will put this image for download. The first part of the program is this part is just jump into the end. I will show you just a second. And this part is just reading the machine code, which is will fetching the data from the screen and convert it to sprite data, and at the end you can use it as sprite. So after this here, this line is just putting the cursor back to home. Compared to the code here, I have changed a little bit. So I don't know why I have done this. I put this in one line, and this is out of alignment. So this one I changed it so you can see the print command is not aligned. This line 190 and 200 is not aligned. So in my new version, I just changed it, put the home here and use a semicolon here. So basically what I'm doing is 118, I set the cursor back to home and print the lines here. Then at the end, you will see I'm running the machine routine here and using the parameter 11. 11 is the block, the sprite block. Today I can't really tell how this number was chosen. Using this command here, it basically read all this information and put in the block 11. And after that, this is just changing the screen color and telling the sprite using the block 11 and set the coordinate to 32 and 74, and this is one showing the sprite. So basically this line will show the sprite, which is already read from here, and this one is just initialize data, what I have shown you at the beginning, the go sub command. Now let's try to run it. So you can see the sprite is here showing demo. So for example, I want to change the sprite. I want to remove this here. I can remove it. I need to do it return. Now you can see I just removed the middle line of the A from my basic program. The next run of my basic program, so you can see automatically it removed the line here. So I don't need to go to the sprite editor to change anything, and I can change my sprite data anytime. If you have any question about this, just let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.